Hi, I'm Peter Cowie and I'm a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine and an acupuncturist. This course is for anybody who suffers from insomnia. Insomnia comes in many different flavours, whether it's a person who has trouble getting to sleep or a person who gets to sleep and wakes up really easily. People that are affected by lights and noise and they light sleep. People that dream lots and have lots of vivid dreams. But the key to most insomnia is if you wake up tired in the mornings. I know people that have 10 hours sleep a night, but they still wake up tired because they're dreaming all night and their mind's busy racing. And so it's still a form of insomnia. Some people I know, they wake up at between 1 and 3 in the morning and they just can't get back to sleep again. And there's things that cause this, and traditional Chinese medicine understands this. And so the people that have sleep disturbances, this will be a very interesting course to see how the Chinese medicine and traditional Chinese medicine deals with this problem. My goal for this course is to help people understand their own individual sleep patterns, to help you get a better night's sleep, to understand why you aren't sleeping. And there's certain things that can cause in Chinese medicine. There's only 6 major reasons or 6 major causes that cause insomnia. So the job is to work out which one it is yours that's actually affecting your sleeping and how we can rectify that. The content of the course, we talk about Western medicine understanding of insomnia and also the tranquilizers and the sleeping pills they give you. We talk in depth about the traditional Chinese medicine and the different aspects of traditional Chinese medicine and how they see it, either using acupressure, acupuncture sometimes, or Chinese herbal medicine, and definitely using Qigong exercises, where is a set of Qigong exercises as part of this course. Qigong exercises are exercises you do to move energy around your body, and most of the Qigong exercises that I've done for you in this course are well known, and they're very famous exercises to help with insomnia and to quieten the mind and to quiet the heart so you have a sleep, not only get to sleep but stay asleep and wake up refreshed in the morning. So if you have sleep disturbance and you sometimes don't sleep well and sometimes you wake up in the middle of the night or you wake up tired in the morning, this course is for you. That gives you lots of tools and lots of ideas that you probably never thought of from people who've been studying sleep. I've been specialising in insomnia for over 20 years now and helping people get to sleep and to shut down and have a great night's sleep and wake up full of energy in the morning. And of course that's what we want. And so sometimes sleep is one of the things that interferes with that. I think there's a lot of people in the world have insomnia or trouble shutting their busy minds down. And this is about how Chinese medicine works around that to shut your mind off, calm your heart and have a good night's sleep. Come to the course, join me and learn all about this, and I'm sure it can help you get a better night's sleep.